right, so we are visiting with Pat. She is our first client for East Coast Collaborations. And so we are just going to ask her some questions and, just kind of get a feel for how she, what success she had, how she liked the service, and so on. So first, let's start. Just tell us a little bit about you, like what's your name, and what made you start growing marijuana?
My name's Pat, first of all. I am, as you can tell, a little bit older, and I started having fun when I was about 21. I stopped, and then I decided I wanted to start smoking again. I tried different places, tried homegrown. I don't want to do anything off the street.
Yeah.
I've tried dispensaries, don't like it, never could get anything from it.
Mm-hmm.
And then a friend of mine gave me a plant for my birthday.
Oh, great birthday gift.
I had no clue what to do with it. And I just planted it in my front yard. No nutrients, nothing. I watched some videos, didn't understand them. So I just watched it grow. And you might see some pictures of those,
Yeah,
maybe
we'll put
to harvest. And then after that, I had an opportunity because I liked what I was doing. Had no clue of how to grow it, but had opportunity to buy the 4x4 grow tent. So it's like, I'm so excited. I planted 4 entirely different seeds. They were feminized. I had no clue what I was still doing. And then I was looking for more information. Videos weren't helping, still too advanced for me. So I came across East Coast Collaboration. I had a few emails to them, and they were willing to help me get me through that stage.
Right. So, what was some of the first things we went through on our first video sessions when we did one of the grow along packages where we went from start to finish with you and showed you everything?
Well, after I did that grow with them, I asked them for more help because I wanted to grow more. And they offered me a fresh start with their product. D-Banks is the breeder. D-Banks and Zeno. He's my counselor through all this.
Yeah.
And they said, follow our protocol. Okay. They got down to the nitty-gritty of what to do with your soil. What even before that, what to do with your seeds. And I followed. Once I got the soil done, I did what they told me to do, and then they gave me the nutrient cycle. And I followed that, I would email them. In the beginning, it was like every couple of weeks, but once it got more advanced, I can with Zeno,
Mm-hmm.
and he helped me so much with this growth. I learned so much about the soil, the nutrients, how to spread them out,
Mm-hmm.
tip them off. I know that's not the word, but
Top.
to top them
Mm-hmm.
and spread them out and make them thicker.
Yeah. So what we did is we did some topping and cropping. We went over certain different methods on different ways to increase her yield in her 4x4 tent. And we gave her the recipe for the nutrients. And she fortified the soil, and then she added her seedlings into the grow. You can see all those pictures on the website. Also on the testimonial page of East Coast Collaborations. So we grew, the genetics were supplied by bee danks, and
Yes.
so all we did was supply the knowledge on how to grow them.
Yes.
And I will say, just to go a little off topic, or not really off topic, but those genetics were a test. So he is a breeder, and he was breeding that to see what he, how it was. What was it going to do? Yeah, D-Bank. So
D-Bank is a breeder.
Is the breeder. So we had given her those seeds for her first run. So if you see the pictures on the website with those big buds and her having the whole bud in her palm, that's her very first grow with East Coast Collaboration. So
yes,
we really we showed her everything from
double
popping seeds to fortifying soil, harvesting, curing, and it was just a great opportunity.
And the difference to verify females and males to see the signs of them.
Yes,
that was really amazing.
Yeah, it's very important to identify, especially when you get
early
close.
as possible.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, especially from before harvest, because as we all know, they can get seeded up. So it happens. So, but thank you, Pat. Again, it was an honor, working with you. I appreciate that you worked with us, and she followed the step-by-step protocol. She asked questions when she needed them, but for the most part, she did basically all the work, and that's really what we're looking to do here, is to help you, just guide you through and give you the knowledge. And now Pat can message me at any time, and I may not be available at that second, but I will reach back out to her
within 48 hours.
Yeah.
Zion will get back to you, and I am looking so forward to become a big part of this.
All right. Well, thank you again for your time, and we appreciate it. It's eastcoastcollaborations.com. We are growing consulters. We do not sell cannabis. All we do is teach you how to grow like a boss.
And one more thing.
Sure.
Just always remember to learn something new every day, because you'll never know everything.
Great. That's great advice, honestly, because even as a professional grower, I've been doing it for years, I still learn something new, so it's a great experience.
Something new.
Seriously.
Don't think you got it down.
Yep. There's always something to
because
learn.
Something's going to mess up. I know. I'm one of them.
Yeah, but it's a learning curve, and we've all been through it. We've done it, and that's what we're trying to do, is take that guesswork out of it. So what we did is, for Pat, is take that knowledge that we have already encountered and just use it with her. And as long as she followed the step-by-step guide, she had a beautiful harvest. I mean, absolutely beautiful. The pictures are on the website. Like I said, I'm going to add some to the end of the video. So thank you very much. And like I said, eastcoastcollaborations.com. Thank you.